Hello everyone, this is Satvik, and in this video I'll be discussing about VPN, and at the end I'll be recommending some of the VPNs that I used which are available for free as well as for the paid. So without getting any delay, let's dive into the video. So guys, this has been most frequently asked question out there on the IT world, where the guys keep on asking what is the best VPN out there, whether it could be for free or whether it could be for paid. And some people use the VPN for encrypting their data to remain safe over the network, and some people use it for streaming and stuff. But as this channel is mostly related to the cybersecurity content, I'll be showcasing this in the means of being secure over the internet. Okay, so let me take this video, guys. So this video is this photo is taken from MC Soft. So this is the best explanation that I got, and all credits goes to them, to the photo creator. So this is how the VPN works, like, guys. So this is the internet, and if you had seen like if you have seen your Wi-Fi connection or mobile data, so there will be some person called as internet service provider. So he's the one who provides you the internet. So every information that you are sending or everything you are browsing out there on your, whether it could be your laptop, computer, or mobile phone, everything else, it goes through him, and then from him it goes to the internet. So here you can consider it like NAT, which is like conversion of private IP to the public IP. So what could possibly happen is, so the data you are sending, suppose if you are Google, if you are looking for google.com, it goes in the way of google.com, and this guys send it to the internet, and then you get the access. So this is how happens. And if you could see here, the google.com, or if you are using any unencrypted services like http, ftp, or anything ftp or anything else, it could go in an unencrypted format. So if there is some malicious guy sitting over here in the place of the internet service provider, he could see everything that you are sending out there, whether it could be your website information or anything else. So in order to remove these kinds of things, uh, the VPN is introduced, which is nothing but a virtual private network. So let me take a scenario where you are browsing, where you are sitting in a public Wi-Fi, or where you're using a public Wi-Fi which is not having a password, and in the same network there is an attacker. Somehow you are using the internet, and there could be possibly the attacker could sniff the data around you. So if you are using any unencrypted services, he could gather all the credentials and stuff, or he could do some various spoofing attacks like DNS spoofing, man in the middle attacks, and stuff like that. So in order to remove all these constraints, a VPN is definitely considerable. So if you are using your laptop, or if you are using internet in a public network, I would definitely recommend these kinds of thing. Okay, so if you introduce a VPN, so VPN is nothing but it is like virtually, it shows that virtually you are somewhere else. Okay, so that's the basic thing. So let me explain you. So the unencrypted data that you are sending is will be encrypted by the VPN. So that's the basic thing it does. So the internet service provider doesn't know what you are sending, and then from the internet service provider, the data is sent to the VPN server. So suppose let me take suppose if you are in India and you connected to what you call USA, okay, and you want to browse google.com. So what basically happens is, it shows that you are not coming from India, but rather it shows that you are coming from the USA. So the google.com will know that .com will know that you are coming from the USA rather than India. Okay, so that's the basic thing. So you go connect to this server, and then from the server the internet is served, and due to this process, guys, the internet will be slowed down. Suppose if you are using an internet connection like 50 to 60 mbps, but if you connect to the VPN server, so VPN server is nothing but a computer hosted somewhere else. So and the speed depends completely on where the VPN server is located. Suppose if you take the VPN server is located right now, I'm in Vijayawada. Let's think it is only in India only, like it could be in Chennai or anywhere else. So I could get a better speed. But if I try to connect to a US server or Australia server, then the speed could be really low. So that's the basic use case, guys, regarding the VPN. And there have been many VPN providers out there, and those are really scam, guys, really scam. Because what happens is this VPN client could collect the logs instead of the service provider sometimes, and this guy could sell to any parties like advertisers and stuff. Okay, so that could be a real problem as well. So investing on a better VPN is always a good way to go. And if you are working or if you are learning cybersecurity, then you need to learn all these things. So as I told you previously, that I will be showcasing the free and the premium versions of an VPN. So coming to the free version, guys, the best one I could recommend is Proton VPN. So let me show you over this. So this is maintained by the Proton Mail only, which all you guys know, which is a secure mail. And as always, the VPN applications or VPN providers that I'm going to mention in this video are available for almost all the platforms out there. So you can install it on your Android, Windows, Linux, or anywhere else. Okay, so it is available for all the things, and this is a secure internet. And the reason why I included this is it is also for free. You don't need to buy it all the time. Even there is a premium version out there which costs like £4 per month. That depends whether if you want to use it, you can use it. But if you are using a free version, then let me go to the pricing, and so that you can understand what it means. So the free version only allows you to connect to the 3 servers, like it could be in different countries, and the speed could be medium, and there is no limited data usage like some VPNs provide, like only 10 GB per month or anything like that. But even in the free version, you can use unlimited data. But there are some compromises, guys, like only you have only 3 countries, you don't have much access. You have a medium speed and strict lock policy. I had used it, guys. Right now I'm not having on my desktop, but I used it, so it is really working fine for browsing some stuff and things. It is really good, but it is not recommended for streaming. And I would recommend this to anyone who want to maintain the privacy over the public Wi-Fi networks. Okay, this could be a better way to go, and since it's free, you can go over there, no issues at all. And one more free thing I want to include is Windscribe. So let me remove this thing. So Windscribe is also one of the better free VPN out there. So, but compared to the Proton VPN, so Proton VPN has unlimited data usage, but this Windscribe is only having 10 GB of data per month and per user. And the really cool thing is, guys, it doesn't even ask your email for logging in. You can simply set a username and password, and by basic you get 2 GB, and if you add your email you get 10 GB. So that's your choice. Okay, you don't need to provide an email. It doesn't take anything from you rather than your username and password. You can connect to it easily. uh, I used it previously, guys. It used to work fine. You'll get almost all the servers, like you get more servers out there compared to that of Proton VPN. But still it is limited. You can go and check this out if you want to try this out. You can see what are the versions, what are the free servers. You can see many servers are being offered out there. So this is also a better way to go if you are looking for a free VPN. And guys, these are some of the best VPNs I'm providing. Means I did a lot of research on these things, and these companies doesn't maintain log. They doesn't sell your data. They doesn't compromise with the government agencies in order to provide the data. And coming to the uh, premium versions of VPN, so the one I'm using right now is Surfshark. The reason why I'm using Surfshark is really cheaper, okay, compared to that of many premium VPNs. This is cheap, and I'm really happy with this thing. Okay, you can see many servers are out there available, and this is not available for free. Okay, like we will only have like 7 days of trial, and this is not for free users. And if you want to go with free, you can use Proton VPN and Windscribe. Okay, these are fine for you. But if you are really willing to pay, you can check out this Surfshark VPN. Let me show you that. So I'm having the Surfshark, which is a premium version. You can see there are many locations out there. You can see many locations, like 50 or things like that. those are much more fine. And there are some cool features like static IP. So if you are doing any MSF Venom payload kind of thing, you can use this thing, because these servers are having static IP. So if you connect to that, you'll have the same IP throughout. So if you are doing any kind of metasploit kind of thing, like creating metasploit payloads, and if you want to maintain the persistence, you could do check this out. It's working fine. And the multi-hop is like, so there is a movie like Abhimanyu or something like that, where what happens is, uh, whenever the police tries to track the attacker, the location of his keeps on changing. So this is also same. So first you will be in UK, and then you go to France. So from the different servers, your this application try to connect to your target, what you call target website or anything else. So this is also fine, but only you will get only two hops out there. If there are many hops, it will definitely become slower. And that's it, guys. That's it regarding the VPNs. And there is also a VPN called JDS VPN. I haven't used it yet, but it is also being considered, or it is also being used widely. I haven't used it, guys, because it's not available for free. But even this is also what you call affordable. If you are willing to do check this out. I haven't read the logs, but I had read some good reports out there on this as well. So these are my recommendations, guys. And still you can use, you can do your own research, you can read your own blogs, you can read your own reviews, and you can list out what are the best VPNs that are suitable for you. So if you are looking for the free, Proton VPN and WindScribe are the best. But if you're looking for the paid, you have many more options. But the one which is trustable is Surfshark and JDS VPN and Nod, or many things are out there, but those are a little bit costlier. And so that's it, guys. That's it for this video. I hope I had given a clear cut idea information regarding what is a VPN and what are the VPNs that you can buy and you can use. So if you like this video, make sure you like it and do subscribe, so that the YouTube will understand that you are liking my content, and it would recommend to more people. And really thank you for watching this video. This is Satvik signing off.